is Padme? Is she all right?
In your anger, you killed her.
You were the chosen one! It was said that you would destroy the Sith, not join them! Bring balance to the Force!